Hello everybody. In this video class I would like to explain you a very specific question about fractals. You see, it seems to me when I say that some phenomena has fractal nature, it seems to me users do not understand me correctly. So I would like to explain you fractals from mathematical point of view. I will try to do it as simple as it possible. So the story is the main person for here for sure this is Benoit Mandelbrot, guy who invented fractals mathematics. Actually, when I was a student, I was very impressed by his work. I recommend to check his video on YouTube with his lecture. Actually, you will see fractals practically everywhere. The story is, it seems to me, started from a coastline paradox. You see, in beginning of 1950, they calculated the length of a British coastline. They do it for some military needs, and the story is different sources provided different lengths of British coastline. Let's look at this picture. I took this picture from Wikipedia. If you use unit to measure, minimal unit, 200 kilometers, we will get this coastline. And the length, it will be 2300 kilometers. If we use smaller, twice smaller unit, 100 kilometers, you see we'll get more detailed coastline, and it will be bigger, 2800 kilometers. If we will get twice smaller again, 50 kilometers, we will get, you see, we'll see more details here, and length of coastline, it will be 3500 kilometers. You see, this is the core of fractal mathematics. If we use smaller unit, we get different nature. We get different different subject, actually. You see, while we decrease the unit, the coastline getting more fuzzy. It reflects all coastline nuances, and you see this is phenomena. This is like a new dimension. They call it a fractal dimension. It's if we use just this dimension, just calculated this way, this is topological dimension. But here we decrease the unit and get more and more fuzzy coastline. We got some another subject. This is subject that has some fractal dimension. They calculate this dimension special way. So this is core idea of fractal mathematics. We decrease unit and we change the unit and we get different objects, we get different results. So let's show you some examples, some very practical examples. The first example, this is question from user. Time solution user, he asked this question. Recently, Jupiter, Saturn, and North Node ingress in the sign of zodiac, different sign of zodiac. And question is, can we calculate this phenomena in the past or in the future? And this is fractal phenomena, because the answer depends on what time step, what unit we will use. If we use 1 day unit, maybe this event will not take place at all. If we analyze 1 month, maybe it will take place. Let's do this. I will calculate phenomena with accuracy 1 month. As unit, I will use 1 month. Okay, I run time solution user. You see here, I did not download the price history. I just set T-min T-max since 1500 till 2100. So in other words, I will analyze 6 100 years of price history. Okay, and now I run Boolean model, and here I will calculate this event. Clear all. Jupiter ingress in some sign of zodiac. All zodiacs ingress. By the way, user asked about sidereal zodiac. Okay, sidereal zodiac is here. So first event, Jupiter ingresses in some sign of zodiac. Okay, just a sec. I click plus. Next, just a sec. Next one, this is Saturn. Yep. Plus. And another one, North Node. Plus. And I need to find dates, months, because this is monthly chart. Step 1 month, here it is. I will find the month when this event took place together. L1 multiply L2 multiply L3. So these 3 events took place together. Okay, I need to calculate it. Just a second, calculate it. Click calculate. You see this vertical stripe show these dates. You see within last 6 years, this phenomena took place only 3 times. If we analyze with accuracy 1 month. Last time it took place in 2006. Okay, let's increase interval. Let's set interval 3 months. 3 months. Okay, click calculate. Click calculate here. Ule. Oh, I need to switch here. And you see it was much more vertical stripe. So it was much more 3 months interval than these events took place. Jupiter, Saturn, and North Node ingress in different signs in signs of zodiac. And another example, let's switch to 1 month, 1 day, or maybe let's try 1 week. 1 week, 7 days. 7 days. No. You see? If you analyze, switch to 7 days, no. There are no week when this ingresses took place in the same week. So you see, this is a fractal phenomena. The result depends on unit, on time interval in this case. Another example. This is actually why I'm recording this video, because user often ask question me like that. They build some model like cyclical model or neural net model or whatever for example, end of day chart, for daily chart, and after that using template they try to apply this model for weekly or monthly chart and got totally different results. What is wrong here? My friends, there's nothing wrong here. This is stock market works this way. This is fractal nature of stock market. You see, this is, for example, this S&P 500. In this chart, put together all information about all stock market participants, like traders, investors, banks, the funds, a lot of players, and each of these players works different ways. So in this chart there are too many behavior patterns. So this is why when we switch scale, we got different results, because different players here. To get some idea about fractal nature of analyzed dataset, we can apply a special model in chaos theory. It's RS analysis. So this is just a Terra chaos theory. Okay, it's calculating now. Yeah. And now there is modular Harst exponent. This is another Harst exponent or RS analysis. Here it is, you see. This is kind of this diagram where we calculate spectral, not spectral, fractal dimension of analyzed data set. Like we calculate a length of British coastline, changing the scale, the unit. The same way we do here. And finally, what you should know, you should pay attention to this blue line. Blue line, they call it statistic. It is V statistic. You see if this line below, it seems to be below or maximum. I don't remember, maybe here or here. It doesn't matter, not big difference. The stock market changes from anti-persistent to persistent. Anti-persistent, this is return to average, and persistent, this is like a stock market that has some memory, that another structure. So in any case, if you have RS chart like this, you see blue line crosses this line. It means that this is a very fractal data set. So this is only what we have. But now this technology has been developed a long time ago. Now we apply much more better analysis for using walk forward analysis. But for first glance, to get idea what is that, we can use Harst exponent. And another things what I do not recommend to do, for example, calculate spectrum. You see, do not use cycles with very different periods. For example, here I choose this is 40-month cycle. Do not mix this 40-month cycle with 160-day cycles, because you see these cycles they involve different patterns. So these cycles involve different players, and so cycles separated that have cycles that have very different periods. Better do not mix these cycles. These cycles belongs to different fractals. Okay, I hope I have explained this. This is, sorry, a little bit complicated subject. On a website there is special article about chaos theory. So thank you.